Nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris, and it's New Video Thursday.
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking? Smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
I've got a food pantry haul for you today, and it's really cool. This food pantry lets you shop just like you're in a regular grocery store. Of course, they let you know how many items you can take from what spot and what you go to, and blah, 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 blah. Anyway, come and check out what I got. Totally different items. Wow. Okay, we're going to start with this gigantic can of cranberry sauce. Yes, they were giving them out. Hey, I took it. I'm going to be set for the holidays. I'm going to take some of it and freeze it. I'm going to separate it. Shoot, I might even make some cranberry popsicles. I don't know. We got some organic, what is this, diced tomatoes? Oh, yeah. Then look at this. We got some celery. Oh, and some green peppers. Oh, and I've got two of these cabbages. So this is right on time for soup season. Then I got some onions. I got four of those, I believe. There's another one hiding under here. Then I got a bag of beets. Did you know that beet juice makes your blood pressure go down? Yes, it does. And I've got a bag of apples. You know what? I'm going to do some beet apple juice. Oh, if I had some oranges, I'd do. I do have some oranges. I'm going to do beet orange apple juice. That stuff will help you lower your blood pressure. Then back here, look at this. Pecan caramel clusters. A whole thing of those. I'm giving those to someone else because I don't want to overdo it with the sugar. Then I've got some creamy peanut butter. Then look at this. A bag of nectarines. Nectarines. Yes. And look, we've got some, what is this? Topo chill? Oh my God, I can't even pronounce it. Topo chill? God, tropical mango flavored sparkling drink. Look at me, I'm getting all tongue-tied. I got two of those. Some creamy peanut butter again. We've got some whole kernel corn. And we've got two no sodium added traditional pasta sauces. Oh, yes. Some tomato soup. Oh, look at this. Garlic aioli mayo. Oh, that's good. I'm putting that on my sandwich. Then look, we have some chicken chili with beans. I'll let you know how it tastes. I'm interested in trying it. We've got some wavy potato chips. And look at this, chocolate-covered bananas. True fruit. Then what do we got? A cola. Then we've got a cream soda. No. Oh, excuse me, ruby red tangerine. I'm sorry. Then we've got guava berry. Ooh, that's good. Is this sparkling water? Yeah, it is. Then we've got, what is this? Oh, organic chicken soup. I'm going to use this as the base for my soup I'm going to do. Then we've got, oh, back there, we got a cream soda. I knew I saw one. Huh. Then down here we've got some, look at this, a whole pack of ground beef. Meatloaf, meatballs, burgers. It's endless. I can even make my own version of Hamburger Helper. Then I've got a nice chicken. Look at that. Look at that. Ready for the rotisserie. Oh, you better believe it. Then we've got two teriyaki fish vegetable dinners. Look at that. Over fried rice. Oh, wow. Greater Food Chicago. The depository. Yeah, they did that. Then we've got some buns here. Ooh, sesame buns. You better believe it. I'm going to do some burgers. Then look at this. I've never seen this before. cranberry pecan bread. Huh. Anybody ever have this? I've never had that. Another bag of apples. Look at that. I'm going to be juicing these, boy. Oh, and you get a sneak peek at the spooky kitchen coming up. Aren't those cups cute? Oh, that's enough. I can't ruin the surprise. We got some eggs, and once again, not a one broken. Ha ha! Then we got some water. We got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So basically almost a whole pack of water. Isn't this cool? This is totally different from the other food pantries. Yes, these items were quite different, which goes to show you, oh, almost fell over the cat, which goes to show you how different food pantries differ throughout the city. So like I said, go to more than one, especially if you have to stock up. If you are totally out of food, stock up. Times are tough right now. Things are changing, not necessarily for the better. But if you need food, as I've said before, please write to me, Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef, at gmail.com, and I will bring you some food. Now, what I want you to do for me, like, comment, subscribe. Also, great news, Joe got his pacemaker put in, and he's doing fine. I'm going to ask his permission if I can put his email up on the next video, and you guys can wish him get well soon, okay? Oh, I would just love that. I really would, okay? All right. Now, until next time, I've got something really special planned for you guys, okay? All right. Hey, Rebecca. Yeah, you know who I'm talking to. I got something to tell you. All right. Till next time, big love, Uncle Chris.
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking?